Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to show you how I make my Dianna Marcum Digi Stamps from Dianna Marcum fabric that I bought. I have just fallen in love with the way that Dianna Marcum illustrated, and all of her stamps are so cute, and her fabric is really sweet as well. The problem is that her stamps are sold for way too much than what I want to pay for a rubber stamp, especially a wood-mounted stamp. I think I saw a bid on eBay for $399 for one of her stamps, which is just crazy. I can't believe anyone's spending that amount of money on just one wood-mounted stamp. But I found a way that will make it super easy for us that don't want to spend that amount of money, but we still love the stamps and we still like to color our images and put on cards and stuff. So what I've done here is I've bought some Dianna Marcum fabric. They had some here in the UK, which I was surprised about, but it was on eBay. It was a lady that was selling all of these Dianna Marcum pieces, and I want to show you now how I take this piece of fabric and turn it into a digi stamp. The first thing that you should do is to iron out any creases in your fabric. That is a must, because if you're going to create a digi stamp out of the fabric that you've bought, it needs to be flat. The second step is to get your scanner ready, set up your scanner, and then just put in your piece of fabric in the scanner, and like you would scan a normal document, you scan the fabric onto your computer so that you get a really clear and good image of the fabric. The third step is to go to this website called pencilsketch.imageonline.co, and this is a great software. It's an editing tool which will help you create that digi stamp. So what you need to do is you need to upload the image, the scanned image of your fabric, to this website, and then you select the right pencil shadow. So depending on the image that you're trying to make a digi stamp of, you might need to play around a little bit here with the strength of the pencil shadow. I tend to select between 3 and 4 usually, because that looks the best. But when you've selected the right shadow, you just click on the button Pencil Sketch, and it will start drawing the image from your scanned image of your fabric. So when I've selected my perfect sketch, I then bring in my image to Windows Paint 3D. And on Windows Paint 3D, I will just clean up the digi stamp a little bit, because they might have an awkward border from the fabric edge, and I just clean it up a little bit, and just make it the way I want it. Maybe remove a little bit of a dark shadow I'm not happy with and such, and then I save that down and I print it out on my paper, and then I can color, and I've got a lovely digi stamp from my fabric I bought. So yeah, that is how I make my own digi stamps from Dianna Marcum fabric, and any other fabric really, as long as you have an image or an illustration. So yeah, if you like this video, be sure to push a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!